So your computer is slowing down. Maybe clear caching could help. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple way of deleting cache on your PC. Now, let's go to taskbar and click search and type for disk clean and make sure you choose the operating system type, which is the C, and tap OK. Now, select files you wanted to clear cache. So I preferably to select all and tap OK. Now you'll get this confirmation box and just select delete files. You're now clearing up the unnecessary file in your PC. So if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.